Stretching nearly a mile over the Mississippi River, Big River Crossing links Memphis, Tennessee with West Memphis, Arkansas. Also known as the Harahan Bridge, it represents the longest pedestrian bridge across the Mississippi and is part of a larger reinvigoration campaign to beautify and unify the city. The new dynamic lighting installation is expected to enhance the vibrant riverfront and celebrate the Mississippi River and its surrounding landscape.
It's an important project for the region because it brings two communities together. The outriggers themselves were formerly used as a mode of transportation for cars. Big River Crossing was not without its challenges because it also happens to be an active railway bridge.
Quality LED lighting provides a uniform wash of warm white light, bringing out the golden color of the bridge. Because the bridge is constantly in use by watercraft and train traffic, it was vital that the lighting could be remotely adjusted with short notice.
The Coast Guard was a very important stakeholder in this project. It was important for us to make sure that barges could travel safely underneath the crossing. And to do this, we implemented controls so that when barges passed underneath the crossing, the lights dimmed.
The bridge is typically lit in an amber hue, but colors and light shows can also be adjusted remotely for holidays and special occasions.
If the City of Memphis basketball game and they won, and they informed us that they wanted the bridge on the Memphis colors, I can create a show and upload it. This is a powerful tool for monitoring a system as large as this, because every day it looks for 9,454 devices along with the controller to make sure everything is online.
The bridge is part of a larger 10-mile revitalization project along and across the Mississippi River.
The capabilities of the LED technology that's incorporated into this bridge is simply phenomenal. Light is security. It makes people feel safe, and it's very inviting. And that's what we've accomplished. And I've seen the transformation firsthand of what that has meant towards generating new life and activity.
People come in and rent bikes from us, and they want to go across the bridge to see the city.
Here, I think it's kind of neat because you got the old with the new.
The bridge and the lights allow us to really just enjoy the experience of being outside and being together, and something that we didn't really get to do before.
So the lighting of this bridge was enormous for us.
People come down to the park just for the light shows.
Beautiful.
It's really connected the two cities.
I think the bridge brought a lot more people in touch with the river, and that's a good thing.
When you're out on the crossing, the lights are on, you see the skyline. It's just an amazing experience.